Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, today showing you around the Skoda Kodiaq 2.0 TDI SE Technology 4-wheel drive. Finishing refined grey and powered by 2-liter diesel engine producing 150 PS, paired with manual transmission and 4-wheel drive, this Skoda offers 7-seat flexibility and rugged practicality. The Kodiaq's strong stance is defined by halogen headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as the 18-inch alloy wheels, which enhance the vehicle's elevated road presence and provide smooth ride on different terrains. Around the back, the LED rail lights and an invisible tailpipe add clean design touches, while rear privacy glass and parking sensors make this SUV easy to handle in any setting. Offering impressive practicality, the boot features variable load floor, cargo nets, luggage cover and multiple hooks. With the third row folded, you get an expanded load area ideal for holiday gear or bulky shopping. Middle row passengers benefit from adjustable headrests, sliding and reclining seats, cup holders and ISOFIX fittings. Up front, height adjustable seats ensure tailored driving position, while cleverly designed storage compartments and a cooled illuminated glove box provide everyday convenience. The leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel offers fingertip access to navigation, phone and media settings, while the trip computer and vehicle menu displays essential driving stats clearly. The Skoda is equipped with dual zone climate control with humidity sensor, which maintains balanced and fresh atmosphere. And the infotainment system offers radio and media options, including Bolero system with DB and SD, as well as USB inputs, phone and app connectivity thanks to SmartLink Plus and the Bluetooth, voice control allowing you to navigate menus and call hands-free, Amundsen touchscreen sat navigation system to help you find your way around, as well as vehicle menus including green score allowing you to track efficiency and tailor other settings. The driver will also benefit from the feedback from parking sensors at the front and rear, which support hassle-free parking. This has been a presentation of the Skoda Kodiaq 2.0 TDI SE Technology 4-wheel drive. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.